Hi, let us discuss on the topic factorization, chapter 14, exercise 14.1, page 220. Question number 1. Find the common factors of the given terms. Question number 1, 12x, 36. So, taking the first term 12x, splitting it into prime factors. This will be 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Taking the next term, splitting up into the prime factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now let's take the common factors alone. So here 2, 2, 3, that's it. So these are in common. So the common prime factors are, because they have asked for common factors, are 2 occurs twice. This is one time, this is second time, and 3. So 2 occurs twice. This is common, this 2 is in common, and 3. So 2 occurs twice and 3. Now we have to calculate the HCF, which will be equal to 2 into the common term, 2 into another 2 that is in common, and this 3 is in common. So 3, which will be equal to 12. Just HCF is the multiplication of the common factors. Moving on to the second question, number 2. 2y, 22xy. So 2y will be converting in splitting into prime factors. This is 2 into y. 22xy will be 11 into 2 into x into y. So here 2 is common and y is common. So common prime factors are 2 and y. Now HCF is equal to 2 into y, which is equal to 2y. Problem number 3. 14pq, 28p square q square. 14pq is 2 into 7 into p into q. 28p square q square is 2 into 7 into p into q into q. So 2 is in common, 7 in common, p in common, q in common. So common prime factors are 2, 7, p, q. So HCF is 2 into 7 into p into q is 14pq. Problem number 4. 2x, 3x square, 4. So 2x is 2 into x. 3x square is 3 into x into x. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Here nothing is in common. So the common factor is 1. And the HCF is also equal to 1. Problem number 5. 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. 6abc is equal to 2 into 3 into a into b into c. 24ab square is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into a into b into b. 12a square b is 2 into 3 into 2 into a into b. Here 2 is common. In all the 3 terms we have to find. Here 3 is common. Then a is common. B is common. That's it. So the common prime factors are 2, 3, a, b. HCF is 2 into 3 into a into b, which is equal to 6ab. Next problem, problem 6. 16x cube minus 4x square, 32x. 16x square is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x minus 4x square is 2 into 2 into x into x into minus 1. This minus, here it is, we can have it as minus 1, and 32x will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. Now 1, 2 is common, the second 2 is in common, then x is in common, that's it. So the common prime factors are 2 occurs twice and x. HCF is equal to 2, 1, 2 is in common, second 2 is in common, x in common. So the answer is 4x. Problem number 7, 10 PQ, 20 QR, 30 RP. 10 PQ is equal to 5 into 2 into P into Q. 20 QR is 5 into 2 into 2 into Q into R. 30 PR equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into P into R. So 5 is in common, 2 is in common, that's it. So common prime factors are 5 and 2. So HCF is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. Problem number 8, 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. 3x square y cube is 3 into x into y into y into y. 10x cube y square is 5 into 2 into x into x into x into y into y. 6x square y square z is 2 into 3 into x into x into y into z. Common are x, the second x, 1y, the second y. So common prime factors are x occurs twice and y occurs twice. So HCF is equal to x into x into y, which is equal to x squared y squared. The next problem, number 2, factorize the following expressions. Number 1, 7x is 42. 7x minus 42. 7x is 7 into x. 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. So 7x minus 42 will be 7 into x minus 2 into 3 into 7. Now 7 taking outside, this will be x minus 2 into 3. Or it is 7 into x minus 6. Problem number 2, 6p minus 12q. 6p is splitting up into prime factors, 2 into 3 into p. 12q is 2 into 3 into 2 into q. So 6p minus 12q is 2 into 3 into p minus 2 into 3 into 2 into q. Taking 2 into 3 common, the left out in this term is p minus, and the left out is 2 into 3 when it comes outside, remaining is 2 into q. So the answer will be 6 into p minus 2q. Problem 3, 7a square plus 14a. 7a square is 7 into a into a. 14a is 7 into 2 into a. 7a square plus 14a is 7 into a into a plus 7 into 2 into a. 7a can be 7 into a can be taken outside. So a is remaining here and 2 is remaining here. So a plus 2, which is equal to 7a into a plus 2. Problem 4, minus 16z plus 20z cube. 16z is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z. 20z cube is 5 into 2 into 2 into z into z into z. Minus 16z plus 20z cube equal to minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z plus 5 into 2 into 2 into z into z into z, which is equal to, take this 2 is common, another 2 is common, another z is common. So 2 into 2 into z. The remaining term will be minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into z into z, which is equal to 4z minus 4 plus 5z square. Problem 5, 20l square m plus 30al m. 20l square m is 5 into 2 into 2 into l into l into m. 30al m is 5 into 2 into 3 into a into l into m. 20l square m plus 30al m will be equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into l into m plus 5 into 2 into 3 into a into l into m. 5 in common, 2 in common, l in common, m in common. So 5 into 2 into l into m. Here it will be 2 into l plus remaining will be 3 into a. This is 10lm into 2l plus 3a. Problem 6, 5x square y minus 15xy squared. 5x square y can be given as 5 into x into x into y. 15xy square is 5 into 3 into x into y into y. 5x square y minus 15xy square is equal to 5 into x into x into y minus 5 into 3 into x into y into y. 5 is common, x is in common, y in common. So taking 5 into x into y common outside, the leftover terms will be x here minus 3 into y, which is equal to 5x into x minus 3y. Problem number 7, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. 10a square is 2 into 5 into a into a. 15b square is 3 into 5 into b into b. 20c square is 5 into 2 into 2 into c into c. So 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square is 2 into 5 into a into a minus, it is minus 15b square. So minus 3 into 5 into B into B plus 5 into 2 into 2 into C, just substituting. Now here 5 is in common. So taking 5 outside, we'll get 2 into A into A minus 3 into B plus the remaining terms 2 into C into C. Which is equal to 5 into 2A square minus 3B square plus 4C square. Problem number 8. Minus 4A square plus 4AB minus 4CA. 4A square is 2 into A into A. 4AB is 2 into A into B. 4CA is 2 into C into A minus 4A square plus 4AB minus 4CA is 2 into A into A. This is minus plus 2 into A into B minus 2 into C into A, taking 2 common and A common. So 2 into A taking in common will become minus A, the leftover terms plus B minus C, which is equal to 4A into minus A plus B minus C. Question number 9. X square yz plus x y square z plus x y z square. X square yz is x into y into z. X y square z is x into y into z. X y z square is x into y into z into z. So x squared yz plus x y square z plus x y z square is x into y into z plus x into y into z plus x into y into z into z. X common, y common, z common. So taking x into y into z, the remaining terms will be x plus y plus z, or x y z into x plus y plus z. Problem 10. A x square y plus b x y squared plus c x y squared y z. A x square y is a into x into y. B x y square is b into x into y. C x y z is c into x into y into z. A x square y plus b x y square plus c x y z equal to a into x into y plus b into x into y plus c into x into y into z. Taking x in common, taking y in common, x into y, this will be a into x plus b into y plus c into z. is equal to xy into ax plus by plus ez. Problem number 3, factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Now in this, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y, here from these two terms we can take x in common, which will be the remaining term x plus y, plus here we can take 8 in common, the remaining term will be x plus the remaining term will be y. Now this x plus y and this x plus y are in common, so taking these two in common outside, inside we will have x term alone here plus 8 here left over, so this can be written as x plus y into x plus 8. Problem number 2, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. We can take 3x, here x term we can take, so from these two terms we can take 3 into x outside. So when we take 3 into x, it will be 5, 3 5s are 15, so it will be 5 into y minus 3, if 3x comes out, the remaining will be 2, plus nothing can be taken from this in common, so 1 into 5y minus 2. Now these two are in common, so we can take 5y minus 2 in common, and the remaining will be 3x here plus 1, which is equal to 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Problem number 3, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. From these two terms we can take x in common, which gives a plus b. Here we can take minus y in common, which will be a plus b, because this should be plus, only then plus into minus will become minus, and here minus into plus will become minus. So minus y when we take out, we will get a plus b inside. Now these two terms, that is a plus b and a plus b terms are in common. So taking a plus b term outside, remaining will be this x and remaining will be y. So x minus y is equal to a plus b into x minus y. Question number 4, 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. 15pq plus 9q, just rearranging the terms, 25p plus 15. From these two terms, taking 3q in common, this will be 5p plus 3. And from these two terms, taking 5 in common, this will become 5p plus 3. So that this term and this term are the same. So taking this term again in common, 5p plus 3, the remaining terms will be 3q plus 5. The answer will be 5p plus 3 into 3q plus 5. Problem number 5, z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Just rearranging the terms, z minus 7 minus xyz plus 7xy. Now from this term, 1 can be, nothing is common, so 1 into z minus 7, and from here a minus xy can be taken in common, so that it comes here, z is left over, and here the sign is minus, because minus into minus will give plus. So z minus 7, because xy in common. Now this term z minus 7 is in common, so taking it outside, the remaining will be 1 minus xy. So z minus 7 into 1 minus xy is the answer.